In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact group in Outlook 365. If you regularly email the same set of people, a contact group can save you time by letting you send one message to everyone at once. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can set it up quickly and confidently. First, open Outlook and go to People. You'll find the People or Contacts icon in the bottom left corner of the Outlook window, alongside Mail and Calendar. Click that to view your contacts. If you don't see the word People, look for the icon that looks like two silhouettes that's the same place. With the People view open, head to the Home tab at the top. Click New Contact Group. In some versions, this may be labeled New Contact List, but it does the same thing. This opens a new window dedicated to building your group. Give your group a clear, memorable name in the name box, like Project Team or Monthly Volunteers. Pick something you'll easily recognize later when you're composing an email and start typing the group name in the To field. Now let's add members. Click Add Members. You'll see three options. Choose from Outlook contacts if the people you need are already saved in your personal contacts. Choose from Address Book to search your organization's directory. This is great for coworkers who are part of your company or school. Choose New Email Contact if you want to add someone who isn't saved yet. You can type in their name and email address on the spot. After you pick the source, search or browse for the people you want. Select each person and click Add, sometimes shown as Add to Members. You can add multiple people before closing the selection window. If you're using the New Email Contact option, enter the person's details and confirm to add them to the group. Keep going until your list looks complete. When you're done adding members, click OK to return to the group window. Take a quick moment to review the member list for accuracy. If everything looks right, click Save Close. Your contact group is now created and stored in your contacts. The next time you compose an email, you can start typing the group's name in the To line and select it, and everyone in that group will be included automatically. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.